up. Exhaling down, round back, look at your belly. Inhale, flat back, gaze up. Exhale, right leg comes, plant your hands, right leg comes back, left leg comes back, and we're going to go right down. Shoulders back, all the way to the floor. Bring the legs together, inhale, up dog, exhale, down dog. Shoulders felt a little better. Lengthen your neck. Yes, wonderful. Okay. Left leg forward, right leg up. We're going to come through to kneeling warrior. We're just going to take a few, preparatory warm-up poses. So we're going to be working today with splitting the hips in this direction. Really seeing what happens with the pigeon pose. So left fingers over right. Squeeze the ears. Feeling as you lift from the very front of the groin up. Open that back thigh. Yes, and then coming into a nice lunge. You may need your blocks here. Open the shoulders, tuck the hip, the right hip in, stretch back. Just a few breaths, open the heart. Good. Okay, get your balance because we're going to come up to a modified warrior one. And that means the back heel is up. Five breaths. Good. Exhale, Vinyasa. Straight down to the floor this time. Elbows back, lift the shoulders, straight down. Want to hit the pubis and the sternum at just the same time. Inhale, plug the hands and the feet. And back. Warming up with that dog pose, turning the elbows in and up, rooting the hands. And coming off the pretend 25-cent quarters underneath the palm. Pretend you have them there and really lift the palm up as you breathe in. And squeeze down as you breathe out. On the bones of the hand. Lift the center of the palm and then root the corners. All of this is helping the shoulders a lot. Right foot to the center. Inhale the left leg up. Exhale, cat if you need a block. Put it under the left hand. Keep the hand down. Lengthen the arms. Pull the ribs. Boom. Move that right foot over. Right fingers over left. Squeeze the ears. Tuck the left hip in. Use your back foot. Few breaths in lunge, coming back. You may need taller blocks, you know. You have to just kind of come into where you need to be. You want to have the shoulders open, shoulders back, rather, chest open. Hips nice and level. Tuck the left hip into the body. It might be easier to come up here after a few breaths into that modified warrior one. Yes. Finding the lift from the back groin. Engage the back buttocks. Here we go. Stretching the sternum. And back to Vinyasa on the exhale, all the way down. Here we are. We're going to come sternum and pubis together. Exhale. Pull the shoulders, pull the belly back. Boom. Good. Feet together. Lift. Over. Yes. Lengthen the side waist up. Good. On the next exhale, let's jump or walk. Boom. Inhale, looking out and up. Exhale. Belly. Inhale, Tadasana. Exhale. Hands to heart. Oh, it's good. Good job. Aren't you glad you opened your shoulders? Yeah, we don't want to have any injuries. We want to really be able to open through here, as we come down. All right, we're going to take a little bit more of a shoulder opener. We're going to take a flow that has some pyramid in it. Let's come down into Utkatasana. Here we go. And there's the warm up in the feet and the arches and the front of the ankles. Sitting, remembering what we were doing here. We're sitting down, coming forward with the weight. Yes. Stretch through the back of the leg, all the way to the heel. Now a little bit of lift under the tailbone while the sitting bones shoot back. If you can't go down that low, it's okay. Now lift the heart. And out to the belly. Inhale, exhale. Boom. Jump. Yeah, if you don't want to jump, you can just walk. That's fine. All right. Left leg center. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale. Yeah, back leg up. A little turn out for pyramid. And up we go. You may need a block here. I sprung that one on you, didn't I? I was feeling springy from my warm-ups. So please take care of yourself. It goes without saying. You have to do your Chaturanga, All right, left fingers in front of right. Stretch the sternum. Breathe. Wrap the elbows toward the face. Big, long pyramid. Tall. Coming back. Take your reverse prayer. Whatever one that was. Backs of the hands. Maybe you're in chop wood. Yeah, maybe you're in the full thing. Left finger, left thumb over. Right. Here we go. We forget how much we need to warm the shoulders up when we're working with back bends. Okay, inhale, exhale. Keep the hips level. Put some weight in that back foot. Lift this elbow and that elbow. Let's hang out in tabletop for a few breaths. Stretch the chest. Stretch the chin. Look out and up. All right. Yeah, before we go down, we're going to take a little detour. We're going to step the front foot back. We're going to take our airplane, warrior 3, with our arms in reverse prayer. Hold the belly to the spine. Inhale, exhale, look out and up. Here we go. Lift from the inner back leg. Come back to pyramid. And then ease it out, and we're going to go all the way down. Hands on the floor. Or on the block, wherever you need to be. I just take a little time here to breathe easy. Yep. Alrighty. Yeah. Hands on the floor. Step back for the plank. Straight down to the floor if you can. Straight down. Arms straight back. Legs together. Hands by the low ribs. Inhale. Plug your legs in. Exhale. Other side. Exhale. Yeah, over a little bit. Pyramid. Right fingers over left. And you feel how, I feel how kneeling warrior really supports this. Stretching the sternum. Good. Come back to your version of reverse prayer. Try to alternate arms going in unless you have a shoulder that needs a little special attention. Right. Okay. Now you're going to have right thumb over left. All righty. Here we go. You could do this in chop wood. This airplane. Find what you need to be working here across the chest. When we come into these back bends in a minute, you're going to wish that you'll be happy that you spent this time warming up. Spine to the belly. Feel the connection between the shoulder pulling forward and the tissue under your chin. A lot of connections under that collarbone, all the way out to the shoulder. And up under the chin. All right, we're going to come over, hang in tabletop. Front hip goes back, back hip goes front. Inhale, move the chest forward. Exhale, elbows back. Inhale, move the chest forward. Exhale, elbows back. All right. We're going to come up. We're going to take that little step back. Get yourself mentally prepared. And here we go. Inhale, pull the belly to the spine. Exhale, find your way. And then when you go to lift the leg, inhale up from the inside of the back leg. Oh, one side's going to be trickier, huh? Let's try it again. 3 breaths, what we're looking for. Belly in hand, spine in hand, elbow up. Find a drishti, find a point to gaze. Set back. Wow. You start to feel the rat's nest that's in your back, huh? Yeah, when you have your arms out in front in the airplane, you get away with a lot. Okay, here we go. Inhale, lift the heart. Gaze up. Exhale, we're going to go over. If you need your block, grab it. Yeah. Whoa, feels good to let the hands out, huh? Okay. So if you need a block here, you can grab it, right? We're going to hang out for a minute, release the neck. And level up the legs, level up the hips. Just breathe into those places that you felt were very tight when you were trying to get into whatever form of reverse prayer you were doing. Yeah, it's a gesture that we lose, isn't it, as we get a little older. Okay, hands by the feet, by the foot. Exhale, come back. Now this time, let's see if we can hover. If you can't, you can't. You're going to come as if, on that exhale, that next exhale, as if you're going to lay that body down, sternum and pubis. But this time we're going to just hover. Back a little bit. Inhale, up a little bit. Exhale, back all the way. Yeah, great job. All right, on the next exhale, either jump, and remember if you want to walk forward, you just bring one foot to the center, you inhale the other leg up, and you come forward. If you need a block under the hand, you put it. And you come. Or, if you want to, you can jump. You jump on the exhale. You get here. In both versions, there's the inhale and look up. There's the round back and look at the belly. There's the sit in the chair, find the ankles. Find that little lift. And open the heart. It's really nice to try your best to keep the arms by the ears. Even if you come up a little bit, it stretches the fascia in your back. Exhale. Back to neutral pelvis.